How to change your age on TikTok? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the homepage of TikTok, from where you can discover various TikTok videos. So if you have got multiple TikTok account, make sure to log into the account in which you want to change your birthday. After that, you'll be able to see your profile in the right bottom corner. So in order to change your birthday, you need to go to your settings. For that, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line of the right upper corner, and you have to go to settings and privacy. So if you see over here, there are no any option for updating your birthday. So unfortunately, that may be the problem of TikTok. So you need to report a problem. For that, you have to scroll a little bit, where you'll be able to see report a problem option under support and about. Simply tap on that, and here will be the options and topics for reporting a problem. And from over here, you have to go for account and profile on the topics. Under that, you'll be able to see the various options. Among them, you have to go for editing profile option. You can tap on the drop down next to it, and from over here you can go for other. So here you'll be able to see the descriptions for solving your problem. You have to go for need more help option in the lower button, and right after that you'll be opened up to the text field, where you have to enter your feedback or your problem. So in this text field, you need to describe your problem, that you are unable to update your birthday. And once you are done, you can go for submit option, and the problem will be submitted, and after few hours or few days, you'll be able to solve your problem. So this is how you change your age on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.